Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to continue few problems on complex number. Let us start with problem number 2. If z1 is equal to minus 3 plus 4i and z2 is equal to 5 minus 3i, find z1 upon z2 and 1 upon z1 plus 1 upon z2. Let us start with the first problem. In the previous video also we have seen whenever we divide two complex number, we need to rationalize the denominator. So here also we are going to rationalize 5 minus 3i. And that rationalizing term will be 5 plus 3i upon 5 plus 3i. On direct multiplication, we have minus 3 into 5 is minus 15, minus 3 into plus 3i is minus 9i, plus 4i into 5 as 20i, and plus 4i into plus 3i is 12i square. In the denominator, we have a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. 5 square will give you 25, and minus 3i the whole square will give you 9i square. Further, we can substitute the value of I square as minus 1. After substituting I square as minus 1, this will become minus 12, and here we have 25, minus of minus will give you plus 9. In the next step, minus 15 minus 12 will give you minus 27, and minus 9 plus 20i will give you plus 11i, divided by 25 plus 9 will give you 34. This becomes the value of z1 upon z2. Now let us find 1 upon z1 plus 1 upon z2. For that, we can first solve these two fractions by cross multiplication. On multiplication, this will give you 5 minus 3i minus 3 plus 4i divided by minus 3 into 5 will give you minus 15, minus 3 into minus 3i will give you plus 9i, 4i into 5 will be 20i, and 4i into minus 3i will give you minus 12i square. Now here you can put the value of I square as minus 1, and 5 minus 3 will give you 2, minus 3i plus 4i will give you plus 1i. Again we have I square as minus 1, so this will become plus 12, and 12 minus 15 will give you minus 3. 9i plus 20i will give you 29i. Now remember, whenever we have a complex number in the denominator, we need to rationalize, and the rationalizing factor will be minus 3 minus 29i. So in the numerator we have 2 into minus 3 as minus 6. 2 into 29i will give you 58i. I into minus 3 will be minus 3i, and 29i into I will give you minus 29i square, and the value of I square will be minus 1. In the denominator we have a plus b and a minus b, that will give you a square minus b square. So minus 3 the whole square will give you plus 9, plus 29 square will be equal to 729. I square will be equal to minus 1. On further solving, we have minus 6 plus 29, that will give you plus 23, and minus 58 minus 3 will give you minus 61. In the denominator we have 9 minus 729, that will give you minus 720. So the final answer will be minus 23 upon 720 plus 61i upon 720. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.